The unprecedented savagery of the COVID-19 virus has created anxiety and uncertainty for all of us. Apart from the health and well-being of families, friends and colleagues, which is obviously of paramount importance, we're witnessing one of the most comprehensive shocks ever to society's sense of normality and equilibrium. We work in a sector largely made up of charities, community interest companies, social enterprises and freelancers. Most of these carry no sizeable reserves, and even our larger, higher profile organisations, who might appear to be better resourced and better funded, have found that the high levels of earned income on which they depend have disappeared overnight. Difficulty and hardship is everywhere, but public health crises aren't equal opportunities events. The poorest, most marginalised and disabled are generally those who suffer most, while the wealthy, connected and healthy are generally better able to weather the storm. Individuals and freelancers in particular face significant challenges. Most are gig workers, moving from project to project to find the next paycheck. Often they're doing this without the benefits of employee protection and without any significant savings to draw upon in times of crisis. We know you're hurting badly because you've told us. This is why my council and my staff are working at breakneck speed to do everything possible to provide real, practical help. We've changed the funding requirements for individuals and organisations currently in receipt of lottery funding. Funding rules have been relaxed for the organisations in our arts portfolio Wales, allowing them to redeploy funds to help meet immediate needs. Today we go further. Working in partnership with the Welsh Government and with funds from the National Lottery, we're publishing information on 3 new funds. The first, an urgent response fund for individuals, opens to applications on the Tuesday immediately after the Easter break. And in the coming weeks, we'll be launching 2 further funds to help individuals and organisations deal with immediate crises and to start the hard graft of trying to get back on their feet. To do this, we've had to close temporarily existing funding programmes and redirect money. For now, our focus has to be helping the artists and cultural organisations to get through this unprecedented crisis. But even so, we can only do so much, and put simply, we won't be able to help everyone. It's important, therefore, that every penny goes where it's most needed. Fortunately, I see kindness and compassion everywhere I look. Those of you working in the arts yourselves are, I know, acutely mindful of the needs of your peers. And where others have more pressing needs, you're supporting and encouraging them. This is both generous and magnanimous. Standing here today, it feels indulgent to forecast next week. Looking to the longer term seems hardly worth the effort. Nevertheless, day in, day out, I'm cheered and humbled to see so many of you supporting each other and doing what you can in your own way to nurture those fragile qualities of hope, optimism and creativity. The increased appetite for the arts online has resulted in fast, imaginative responses from publicly funded cultural organisations in Wales. Live-streamed concerts and readings, artists and musicians running online clubs and choirs. The arts have always provided relief and solace for people, especially in terms of crisis. and goodness knows we need those special qualities now. I end with a plea to you all. Be kind to yourselves as well as to others, and take care. Together, with determination and resilience, we will return the arts to their rightful place in Wales, at the heart of national life.